After receiving an overwhelming number of inquiries regarding alcoholic nano CBD beverages, this StuphCorp video will demonstrate how easy it is to add a nano CBD concentrate to vodka. In our previous videos, we learned how to make a CBD concentrate with generic oils. The color of your concentrate will depend on the cannabis concentration and extraction profile. Particle size analysis placed the particle sizes between 10 to 30 nanometers. This customer uses a 1 milliliter concentrate sample, then gently disperses it into 100 milliliters of vodka and stirs. They have successfully made a clear nano CBD vodka beverage.